Oh man, the quality of the remodel is by far like just it's above and beyond expectations. Like we already live in a really custom, high-end, like luxury home, and being able to match the detail almost better than the original detail of some of the woodwork and the trim and the way the tile is laid and the detail that went into like the grout work. I mean, it was above and beyond expectations, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for more. Oh yeah, we came in under budget on our project. It was one of those things that coming in, I wanted to make sure that I really showed all of the details of all the things that we wanted to have done, because we know this is a pretty high-end home and the way things are done. And the fact that you guys were able to get me a quote immediately versus the other 4 people who, some people never even got a quote to me, and then 90 days later, we're able to get quotes. Like, it just goes to show like the level of service, the attention to detail, and understanding what you're walking into. It was easy. It was an easy choice, honestly. Nonstop. It was nonstop communications. I really liked the WhatsApp thread. It allowed us it gave us direct access to you guys. Whenever we sent a question, it was a response within 5 minutes, maybe less. But the communication was above and beyond. Even when we ran into a couple of little hiccups and little things that needed to be adjusted and fixed, you guys were just all over it. I mean, I'd say, hey, here's an issue that came up or something we didn't expect, and you guys would show up at the house same day. So, like I said, it was one of the most efficient and most like customer service forward experiences I've ever had dealing with a builder. We've worked with a builder. We've worked with guys to come in and do remodels for us, and we've never experienced anything like this. This is our eighth home that we've pretty much remodeled or done some serious work to, and this is by far the best experience we've had. Yeah, absolutely. We've already given your name out to 3 people. I think 1 person signed up with you already, and we'll keep them coming. I think we can honestly say we found our people. We found our guys, right? If you need this done, then hey, we've got our guy. And Verified Builders, you guys are our guys. So thank you. I appreciate it.